Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, August 15th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we were expecting some very heavy rainfall and severe thunderstorms last night, but that didn't evolve, which is great news. We did have some very heavy rainfall that developed around Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, portions of northern New Jersey, and around the New York City metro. And this morning, that rain is departing with showers lingering around Connecticut and Long Island, temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s in these locations. Further to the west, over the interior, scattered broken clouds are in place with temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. But as you head down towards southern New Jersey and towards the Philadelphia metro, that's where a warm front is, and that's where we have much warmer conditions with winds coming out of the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour and temperatures ranging from the mid 70s to lower 80s and far higher humidity in place. So what happened last night with our expected severe weather? Well, the good news is that, of course, it didn't evolve as expected. And the reason why is because of the way that the pattern evolved. I talk about this in great deal in the severe threat analysis for premium members in the severe and the premium video. You see this feature right here? This was expected to be over New Jersey, not off the coast. And so that pushed everything east as far as the lifting and as far as the severe potential. So all the ingredients were in place, but you didn't have the mixing to cause these severe thunderstorms to develop. And so therefore, with everything pushed east as far as the lifting parameters, that led to a different event evolving, which led to pretty much heavy rainfall, which is what we're seeing here on the latest radar and surface map from WeatherTap. We have a weak wave of low pressure associated with that evolution of that jet streak off the coast now. This will continue to lift to the northeast with this heavy rain lifting into New England. And then this low pressure system will continue to track to the northeast. This one will just pretty much fade away, and this cold front will move through this afternoon and evening, and that's going to introduce the potential for showers and thunderstorms, and a few of those thunderstorms could be severe. The key point with the severe thunderstorms today will be the position of this warm front. If this warm front pushes further north towards, let's say, Connecticut, then the New York City metro down through the Philadelphia metro are a threat for some severe thunderstorms. If the warm front struggles and kind of meanders about here, then your severe threat is more down towards southern New Jersey and down through the Delmarva Peninsula. As we can see on the latest visible satellite picture, let's refresh this for a second, and you can see the low clouds associated with the warm front pushing northward, and then to the south of the warm front, you can see those clouds breaking up, so you have more instability starting to take hold, and then there's our cold front off to the west. You can see that very nicely here on the infrared satellite picture. Warm front, cold front, occluded front, and then there's our upper level low back to the west, all lifting to the northeast, and with that cold front, some rather stormy conditions. But some good news. After this cold front moves through, we get a bit of a break for a couple of days. Another cold front threat on Friday, but the weekend is looking outstanding. A little hot, but again, it is August, so you would expect it. But overall, dry and sunny. So if you want to head out to the beach, looks like this weekend is definitely going to be one to do so. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, the cold front will move through with scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the late afternoon, evening hours. So the rush hour is not looking so great. Look for temperatures to rebound into the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, the cold front will clear off the coast with a few lingering showers, but generally clearing skies from northwest to southeast, with temperatures falling off into the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, look for sky cloud cover with temperatures rising into the mid 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, high pressure will be in control with tranquil conditions expected. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, and upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the coast and over the interior, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, a cold front will move through with widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Looks like the best potential for severe weather is going to be towards New England rather than the northern mid-Atlantic, but we'll keep an eye on it. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over much of the region for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Now on Saturday, high pressure will take hold with clearing skies and tranquil conditions. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 80s over the interior and along the coast. Mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, high pressure remains in place with tranquil conditions expected. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, tranquil conditions will continue through the afternoon. A cold front will drop south in the evening with a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s over the interior and along the coast, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Tuesday, a weak trough will hang around the region with a few widely scattered showers. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the interior and along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That's your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.